Welcome to another video tutorial from Suffi's Academy. I am Suffi, and in this video we are going to learn intercepts of a graph. As we discussed in our previous video in coordinate axis system, when we consider two-dimensional coordinate axis system, so there are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. So on that basis we can say there are two types of intercepts. The first type of the intercepts are x-intercepts, and the second type of intercepts are y-intercepts. Now, x-intercepts are the points where the graph cut the x-axis, and y-intercepts are the points where the graph cut y-axis. For example, let me draw a line, and let's suppose this line cut the x-axis at a point A and cut the y-axis at point B. Now, I can say point A is the x-intercept of the graph of this line, and point B is the y-intercept of this line. Now on x-axis, y-axis is 0. So if we write the x-intercept in the form of the coordinates, then x-intercept will be in the form of coordinate will be x0, because on x-axis y is 0. And if we write the y-intercept in the form of coordinates, so it will be 0 y, because on y-axis x-axis is 0. Now for any graph, if we want to determine x-intercepts, we will put y is equal to 0. And if we want to determine y-intercept, then we will put x is equal to 0. The reason is because on x-axis y is 0 and on y-axis x is 0. Let's take an example. For example, I have y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now to find x-intercept, what I will do, I will put y is equal to 0. After putting y is equal to 0, I will have 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So we can get 2x is equal to minus 1 and x will be equal to minus 1 over 2. So x-intercept will be minus 1 over 2. And if I want to say the point of intersection of the line with x-axis, then in the form of the coordinates it will be minus 1 over 2, 0. And if I have to find the y-intercept of this line, I will just put x is equal to 0 and I will get y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1. So y will be equal to 0. So the y-intercept is 1. It means this line will cut the y-axis at 1. And in the form of the coordinates, it will be 0, 1. Let's have a look at the diagram shown on the screen. I just draw two lines, line 1 and line 2. And if I need to determine the point of intersection of both the lines with x-axis and y-axis, it's very easy. You can see here the line 1 cuts the x-axis at point minus 2. So I can say the coordinate of this point are minus 2, 0. And the x-intercept is equal to, x-intercept if I will write for this one, it will be is minus 2. And y-intercept of this line is 2, because this line cut the y-axis at 2. So the y-intercept will be 2. And if I consider the line 2, for line 2, the x-intercept is 2. I will say the x-intercept is equal to 2. And the y-intercept for the line 2 is 1.